Lovely. Hi, I'm Ray, and this is my gardening channel, and today I'm out in the garden at home. There's too many Zoom conferences, meetings, dance things going on in the house, so I've come outside. But today we're talking seeds, and this is the seed container that I use. And if you're a allotmenter or grow your own vegetables, you tend to get a lot of seeds. So we have got 2 of these containers and they are full of seeds. But when I need organising, I've got to search through each one. And I've also got a truck pass with a bag, and there's just no organisation whatsoever. So today I'm going to sort out my seed trays with a different organisation. So let me show you what we're going to do. So to sort this situation, we have an organiser. So let me show you. We have this Novolinks photo keeper with 16 photo cases. So let's have a look. Here we have our case, and it has 16 different sections. If you open it up, there we go. We've got a section for each subject. So we can have flowers, we can have roots. So for sample, we can get our seeds and we can categorise these. So salads, broccolis, carrots, kales, tomatoes, we can put them all into categories, or even monthly categories. We can do the same. So these fit nicely into the pouches. You can fit maybe, I don't know, 15, and then the cases can go back in the case. So this is all quite new, and this was on Amazon, and I put a link underneath. And we can now go through all of our seeds, sorting them out, putting them in various containers. So tomatoes, we've got a lot of tomatoes. They can all go in a tomato section, and then we know where they all are. And they can be sealed up with an easy carry handle, ready to take around. So I'm really pleased about that. So I'm going to fill them all up and get organised. So now sorting out my seeds, I can actually see what I've actually got. So I've got loads of carrots, loads of beetroot, beans, sprouts, got some sprouts, onions, got a few onions now, look, beetroots, loads of beetroots, loads of zucchini, onions, beetroot, courgette. So I don't need any more beetroots at all. That's spinach, beet leaf, rhubarb, chard, lettuce, chard. So all these now, cucumber, can go into their own boxes. Cabbage, celeriac, flowers, lettuce, There was a lettuce one somewhere. Onions, herbs. There's a herbs one. What does it do with the herbs? Herb one somewhere. Beetroot, more beetroot. This one's open. So I've got no need to buy beetroot. And then one section, flip it open, beetroot, all in one place. How easy is that? Straight in beetroot. Need to put a little label along the end so I know what's in each. But isn't that so much easier? Onions. Look at that. Lovely. Such a great idea. Radish. I'm going to continue and do the rest of the boxes. So here we have that whole box that was in here, organised in one bit. So just looking, tomatoes, beetroot. Well, that might be easier to see, wouldn't it? Onions, radishes, cabbages, beets, leeks, and chilies and peppers. And on the side, sprouts, lettuce, cucumber, roots, miscellaneous roots, and miscellaneous odd bits, melons, and some other randomers that I'm probably not going to sow. So there we go. So, thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So what do you do with your seeds? How do you store them? How do you keep them? Let me know in the comments, be interesting to see. But I'm really pleased with this idea, and we're going to get another one now for the flowers, and that would be excellent, perfect. Thank you very much. Cheers.